Hi guys, Girolamo Aloe here, just to talk with you about US dollar and Canadian dollar. And first, I'm not a financial advisor and I'm here just not to give you financial advice. And what I do is just for educational purpose, and you should take information about what I do just for your advantage. And trading carry a lot of risk, and you to have to be aware of the risk that you can take when you make a trading. Then you have just to understand what is the risk for any trade that you take. And I don't tell you how to manage your money, how to use your money, where to invest, and I don't take the control of your money, and I'm not interested in this kind of thing. And definitely, I don't sell and I don't give trading signals, of course. So now we can start talking about US dollar and Canadian dollar. Okay, we can see here this impressive convergence on this very old supply level, and in this old supply level we can see the opportunity to have a potential sell to catch bounce back or maybe a reversal behavior. And what we have to understand in this opportunity is just definitely where to sell, and what can be the best entry point. This supply level here is very large, so the risk to take a trade is definitely a lot, and we have to understand where to get the best. We can go to the lower time frame and we can just find a better refined supply level. And I have marked a couple of smaller supply level that they are just the daily chart, and also I use it to apply some resistance as reference for potential entry points. If you can go to the lower time frame in the history, just for the long term, you can find a very well refined supply level where you can take your trading opportunity. And anyway, the price is just going up here with a very good momentum for a lot of pips of rising, as you can see here. So the expectation is to see a potential bounce back, and we can take an advantage of the bounce back just because when the price will have this bounce, this bounce will be just for a lot of pips or better. Some hundred of pips, not thousands of pips, but anyway, some hundreds of pips. And we can just use this bounce back to get to make a lot of money for our advantage. The problem is just understand the entry point. You can risk a first trade just going in a lower supply level, and going in the lower to supply level, you can just have a first trade just as I did, and if the price action will go in your favor, you can get something just with this trade. In the case the price will want to rise more, you can definitely take the loss for this trade and go to the higher supply level to have another sell trade. Anyway, you have always taken consideration to take loss when the situation is a risk, and when the situation is with how can I say, in a large supply level where there is a lot of risk, and you have to refine better to get the best entry point. Anyway, this currency, my expectation is to have one sell here, and I already have this trade, and another sell high just here, over 170 pips from the first trade, and they are a lot of pips. And the expectation for this currency is that the price could reach this level here. This level is very low. Okay, then this can require a lot of time, then I think months. And before to reach this level, if the price will continue to go down, of course, you have to expect several retracing. So this is, for example, the trading plan for one retracing going down. So you have to take in consideration the first bounce back that can be a great advantage for you, and also where to get a potential buy to join in the bearish behavior. So you can also buy just finding the best entry point for a buy, and also take in consideration another sell high when the price will be high to get a new opportunity that can give you a large sell. I mean, a very good sell for a lot of profit that will push the price back more. You can see properly the possibility to have several bounce back. This is just several retracing. This is just one. Another one can be here, okay, in this range here, and that the price can later go down more. Um, Depends of your trading style. If you are a trader that run for a long term, this is something a great idea. If you are a trader that make money for the day trading, this is a bad idea. Of course, you will get nothing. And if you want to trade for the middle term, just get the best from the bounce back that you can get just in this supply level. Okay, this is what I expect for this currency. This is my ideal trading plan. These are my supply levels where I give okay, these are my supply levels where I give my reference for a sell, and these are my demand levels where I give my reference for buy trade and to get my target and to reach my target and get the profit. So guys, next week we will have the last public webinar of the 2015, and just it will be a webinar that will introduce my trading practice and also Profit Me. I won't really introduce very well Profit Me, explaining any details that I have for my service, for my premium services, and I want really that you join to the link that you can get. And I want that you spread the word, share the link of the webinar that is just this, of the workshop that is just this link. Spread this link with your friend, invite your friend to join. I want to see hundreds of people that are attending my webinar, and definitely I want to see people that ask questions, that just watch what I'm going to share, my details, my slides, my questions. I want really people that just can be interested to what I give, and please spread the word about the next webinar that will be December 23 at 10 p.m. GMT. But anyway, the webinar will be recorded, so the subscribers that will attend the webinar will get the replay and they will watch it later. Then there is no problem. Everybody can attend the webinar, and everybody will that will subscribe will have the replay of the webinar. So guys, join here, subscribe to the webinar. You can get everything I give, everything I do, my slides and my thing. I share with you my slides and everything I have. So guys, if you want to learn more about supply demand trading, and if you want to know more about my services, and if you want to understand better what I do with Profit Me, just join here, and please spread the word. Invite your friend, share it with your friend. Okay, guys. Profit Me is just my premium services, where I make webinars every week and lessons and specific description of all my trades and my details and anything I have, question answer with my attenders, private community, help with people to understand better what they can do, and everything I do is just focused to improve my trading and the trading of people that are studying with me. So guys, please spread the word about my next webinar to say welcome together to 2016, and please guys, just invite your friends. So guys, thank you to listen my words. In this short work hangout, we talked about the US dollar and Canadian dollar, and I hope to have your comments and many other details about this currency in the group, in the Facebook group, Supply and Demand Forex Trading. Thank you guys to listen my words, and see you around. See you to the group. Bye bye.